So it is now Sunday. I'm working on the attic, yesterday as well, but mainly getting that corner completely empty. There were a lot of boxes in that corner. It was almost impossible to go there, but now it's getting more empty. I've got here box number 3 that's being filled up with all the carton from all those boxes. That one from Elegoo is completely filled with all cardboard. And also here in the corner there is the K1 box from Creality. That one is also completely filled with all carton. But look how much styrofoam or packaging foam is in all those boxes. I mean, 3D companies, please do something about it, because this is really annoying to get rid of. There I also have some packaging foam, and here as well there is so much packaging foam. It's insane. Anyways, so here are all my old 3D printers, or printers that I didn't have any space for. Some are, some need to have some work or need to get refurbished, let's say like that. And there is a little bell printer, the old FLSN QQS Pro, the Artillery Sidewinder X2, a very beautiful machine. I didn't touch it in a while. There's the JG Maker Artist D Pro, also need to get some work on. I borrowed the stepper motors and some other stuff. Yeah, I still need to keep moving. Yeah, so this is going to be my new YouTube studio. A lot of work needs to be still done. So this is how it looks like now. I moved the shelves with the printers over to that side, so I can start working on this side. First I'm going to bring those packaging foams away. I've got a lot of these foam packages to bring away, and I did used to cut it in smaller parts in the past, but that takes a while. And also this complete box is all the way filled with all of these styrofoam packages. I cannot really do a lot with it, so let's fill up the car with those and bring it away. So, and after bringing all the foam packaging away, still got styrofoam. That is something else that I have to bring away. Oh, I have here also a little bit, and here also a full box, all filled with those styrofoam bubbles kind of thing. I've got a little bit more space now, so soon I can start bringing away all carton. I'm going to do that tomorrow, because now it's too dark and I also cannot bring it away today, so we are going to continue tomorrow, I guess. I'm so curious. So much things to do. So I'm not a construction worker. I've got some ideas here, but basically I'm going to make a wooden frame here, starting from somewhere here all the way to the back, and then make this all equal, but because it's really looking annoying to work with. But I will figure something out. This is how it looks like now. We have cleaned the Artillery Sidewinder X2. It's now all cleaned up. Looks way better. That needs to be cleaned as well, but further it's looking nice. I vacuum cleaned this whole area. Got even more styrofoam packaging. This corner is getting more empty. Still a lot of things to do. Now I've got 1, 2, 3 boxes completely filled with carton that can be thrown away. Still, that corner I need to clear out, and then I can start moving some stuff from here to there. And yeah, let's continue. So the cupboard is completely gone. Well, actually the parts are standing right there to be thrown away. Now I'm going to start with the workbench. It's going to be completely cleared, and then that one is going on the other side, so that I'm going to get the full space in order to do all the things that I need to do here, making some framework here to close that off, insulate it, then closing off. Here are going to come a frame as well, also for the ceiling right over there. And on that side I'm going to make also a framework, cover it up, insulate it if needed, and then you know, making here the ceiling all the way to that end here, so that's all looking nice and equally. I like this view, by the way. If I'm sitting here, I have a nice overview from the front side of the house and also from the garden right here. It is looking nice. I know it is looking very messy at the moment, but you know, you have to see to the bigger picture.